got ourselves a new drone, but our first break gets a first break. So we're gonna show you here how to fix a DJI Mini. Unscrew those 4 bolts right in here on both sides of this thing, and a card. Little latches right here need to pop up, and the way I did it was I ran this after I popped this side up. This side came out, and well, then I ran this along this way, and then there's also little clips in there on the side walls. So I ran a card alongside this crack up to that corner up there, and it just popped up. And this other side, the latch on there, so I ran this with, of course, the leg bent downwards. The card, and I went up, and this whip popped off, and well, solder pretty much, and we have this dismounting by, we got ourselves some, pull it off, and then there's another mount inside that. Take it out, see that? There's 3 screws, usually standard. For about trees, they blew, well, I could show you the footage, check it out. Pretty much red goes left, white goes right, black goes middle, rock on. Let's do this. If I got to get little baby tweezers, be careful about this guy, that one ribbon wire. You don't want to scratch it or nothing. But I'm trying not to today. Use some flex. Yeah. Nice. Funtime production. All right, so we're back. We've got this part. That's DJI, the original from China, and it's been through customs because of the coronavirus. That do shipping will do precautions, but getting back to the DJI Mini, we're going to fix this little back left arm. Mount. These 4 screws. Till next time, guys.